And it's just the truth. Right? I don't think I'm supposed to feel worse. I'm supposed to feel better. Since we start taking medication, my sweat. Who have toothache?
No, medication when you take, just like before, you take them, you don't feel no pain, then make you feel pain.
I don't have, but yes, a toothache. I tell you over a million times, I never feel toothache from I have that teeth in my mouth. I never ever have a toothache.
But make you feel different.
Me I talk about my pressure. My pressure, me I talk, baby. Right? From me start taking pressure pill, my ears are hurt me. Like literally, if me talk loud, me I feel one hard pain in my ears. What else? My neck back, like literally, me right so. Yeah, you're so stiff. And me I feel one hard pain. And next thing now, me get up this morning and my foot, like literally that foot here, if me sit down too long, literally me keep on feel this heavy pain in my foot, like I vein, me I feel in the back of it a chump. And me not like that though. But when it did high, me never did not feel anything. So why me I feel it now since me start taking medication, bro? That's me I say, stop it too strong. Hold on there. She said, tell the doctor. Well, me for go back down there. Top mom, what you say? Hold on there. Me so top mom say, you need to rest. I rest, top mom. Me rest. It change it. Me feel say me fi change it. Be careful, you know, mommy. Me feel say fi change. Me feel say fi change. Stop take it. Add me. Hold on there. Who say add me? Make me talk to them. Hold on there. Add me. I'm not pressing. What should I send me back in now, please? Send me back in now, please. Yeah, my pressure high. It's a high pressure me have. But me never did not feel pain, not even headache. Drink garlic tea. Me do that. Me I drink more garlic tea. Me never did not feel pain. Me never did not feel no signs. No, me I feel signs. I'm there start talk to you now at Tamika. Alright. My ears, like literally now me I feel something a chump. Like me can feel the pain, you know, in my ears and my neck back, that harsh.
Hi, Annie.
Hi, good evening.
How are you?
I'm okay so far.
So what blood pressure medicine are you taking?
Yeah, me go for it.
Yeah. Hi guys, top up my screen. I need new friends, so please add me.
Sarah?
Yes. Get him Aiden.
Come here to mommy. Come here. Alright, a lady want to know what type of blood pressure may I take, right? So tell her in the
Medication?
Yeah. Oh shoot. Look, go outside. Hold on. I'm go outside. Put it down. Have it here, so okay. Zoe, there's a chair here. You don't have to do that. Zara.
Yes.
No, not you, my daughter.
My name is Zara too.
Okay, hush, baby. Where she is? Okay, she'll try to hide her here. No. All right, ready. What are you doing? All right, so this one, never can see this one. You can see it.
Yeah, I can see that one. So do you know what kind of symptoms it's giving you? Because I live in the state of Georgia and I also suffer from high blood pressure.
Yeah.
And the one my primary care doctor had gave me, it was just making my blood pressure high. So I had to go back to my doctor and change it.
Oh.
If you see that blood pressure medicine is not making you feel any type of better or it's increasing the number, that means you need to go back to the doctor and get it changed.
Okay, all right, this one.
Hydralazine.
All right, this one, I see say name hydralazine. It blue, me show it. Hold on. It now make me feel, it take up that for me. It make me feel worse. It two of them blue, they're blue. Take out the next one for me.
So I don't know if they sell this one in Jamaica. The one I'm taking right now it start with AMLOPIINE. So I can put it in the chat for you. And I'm not taking my color of my own is white.
Yeah, my one is white. The first one when my first doctor gave me, it was white and pink. This one here is this one that messed me up because, all right, at first when I got there, right, me feel normal. Me never did not feel no headache, nothing. Since me started to take it, me have a hard pain through my ears, my neck back, like it's stiff, really painful. And now my foot, me get up this morning and me have a bad pain in my foot. Me feel up on one of my foot. I don't like that.
So that means if it's doing that, I mean your body is not agreeing to it. Because it's not supposed to make you feel like that. But I just put it in the chat. It says Zarabola, that's what I'm taking. Try to go back to your doctor and see if you can change to that one.
Say the name again, Zoe. I needed to listen.
Does she have a pen and paper?
Give me a pen and paper now, please.
Somebody just posted in the chat.
I can get it to the doctor so I can get it. I want to know if you listen. You can get a pen and paper for me? I'll go for the phone. Then I'll go for the phone for me, please. All right, miss, give me a minute. More Chanel, write it down for me, please. Me know something right about this one. I know.
Yeah, you telling the truth because not every blood pressure medication is going to work. You have to find the right one that's going to work with your body. Because like I said, my doctor had prescribed me one and it was just raising my blood pressure. And I'm like, I'm not feeling well. Like this thing is not right.
Yeah.
So what I end up doing, I end up going to the emergency room.
Yeah.
And the emergency room prescribed the one that I'm taking and they told me to follow up with my primary care doctor. And I just always been on this one and it really works. And then the other thing that really helps with high blood pressure is beets. Drink beets every day, every single day. Even if you don't want to, drink it every single day. Because beets is really, really good for high blood pressure.
Beets. All right. I didn't know that I pick up some yesterday. I can pick up some.
Yes, blend the beets and you could also add carrots to it. Add a piece of ginger and just drink it consistently. It works like miracle.
All right, that's the beets, right?
But yeah, the beets. But you got to stay consistent. The key is to stay consistent, and also follow up with your primary care doctor and let him know that it's not working, and try to put you on something else. Cause
what does it say put in the beets? What does it put in the beets?
So in the beets, you could add carrots, blend the beets, add some carrots, and add a piece of ginger.
All right.
And drink it every single day. The key is to stay consistent because I don't know what kind of stuff they have inside of the beets, but that thing works miracle. When I tell you miracle.
Yeah.
I have beets in my fridge right now. I got beets, I got carrots, and all of these different things.
All right.
And the milligram I'm taking, he gave me 10 milligram. 10 milligram.
I know. A person then when I say if you eat garlic, a doctor advised me not supposed to do it. I don't know why.
Do not with garlic. You got to remember garlic is okay, but the main reason why they're telling you to don't eat too much garlic because it's not really good for the body. People can say what they want to say, but garlic is not really good for the body.
Yeah.
Start drinking the beets and carrots every single day. When you get up in the morning, You blend it, you strain it, and you drink it every single day. And I promise you, you're gonna see a big difference. Big difference.
All right, maybe I may go get that today too. I'm sorry, me never, if I did know this, but me have to go get that time market. Cause me go really want it. Me have an appointment for tomorrow. Me know it not go work fast, but me just know that pill here now help me. I know.
If you start drinking the beets today, at least 2 to 3 glass today. Do you have a high blood pressure machine at home? Always.
No, I don't have one at home, but me just go close in my town and test it.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is start drinking the beets today, and the best thing to do is to check your blood pressure early in the mornings. As soon as you get up, don't eat anything. You could drink some beet juice, it's fine. But as soon as you wake up in the morning, you need to check your blood pressure, and you need to write the number down. That way, when you go to the doctor, they can track those numbers.
Okay, but Brown, Monsieur said garlic. Brown, I told you, the doctor said do not eat any garlic, and there's a reason for it, and I don't want to eat the garlic. All right. Miss, you can tell her the name of the medication, please.
It is. So you're gonna put AM. LOD.
LOD.
Yes. IP.
Yeah.
INE.
Okay.
So this is the one she's gonna ask for. This is the one when she go back to the doctor, see if the doctor can prescribe her that one. Cause that one is really, really good. When I tell you it's good, it's really good.
Yeah.
And that way she can move on from there and encourage her to drink the beet juice every day. People in the comments is talking crazy. I'm not even listening to the comments because at the end of the day, I suffer from high blood pressure and I do what I gotta do to make sure that it's down. The number one thing, natural cure is beets. Beets and carrots is a natural cure for high blood pressure. So I'm not gonna Annie, you gotta stop listening to the negativity in the comments. Cause at the end of the day, nobody know how your body feel at the end of the day.
I get that.
Nobody will understand how you feel.
Me understand.
So at the end of the day, just go ahead and focus on your mental. Don't let nobody in the comments tell you, oh, you shouldn't take this and you shouldn't take that. Don't listen to them people. So when you go back to the doctor, whenever you decide to go back, ask them if they prescribe the one that I just give you. And start drinking beets and carrots and you're going to see a big difference.
All right, I'm going to try that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And it was nice talking to you. Take care of yourself, okay?
Nice talking to you as well. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Bye. All right, guys, listen, and honestly, some of them be really rude, and that's not nice, though. I'm not going to be that rude. Eh?
You need to get rest too.
But Chanel, me rest today, when I act like me no rest. Me sleep in the morning, me go back and sleep again. You know why me go sleep one more time? Me look like somebody like to sleep every second. I like one kill me with sleep. I ain't upon that. Everyone is different. I know that.
Hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Queen. Hi.
Hi, Annie.
How are you?
Hey. I don't know if you remember me. I was one of the nurses that helped you when you were in Barbados. I had the travel.
I remember you from a platform. Hold on, remind me. Annie, no beat road. She can't hear me?
I don't know if you remember me. Anyway, I'm a registered nurse. I work in the emergency room and I see a lot of people come in with high blood pressure. You started blood pressure medication yesterday, right? Or 2 days ago?
2 days ago.
Yes, so your body is getting adjusted. Your body is used to high blood pressure. The blood pressure that you had, those are stroke numbers. You could have had a stroke. And I was always telling you, do you go to the doctor? Did you remember going to the doctor today? You need to
yes. And you always remind me, tell me, say,
Yes.
go to the doctor, go to the doctor. I remember.
Blood pressure is stroke blood pressure. You could have had a stroke. Your body is getting used to the medication. that they prescribed for you. So your body is used to high blood pressure. What was your pressure today when you took it?
I did not go today. Me just stay home and rest. We say me can do it in the morning.
Yeah,
Me
you
never.
need to check and see what your blood pressure is daily, because then you can tell the doctor it's not working, your blood pressure is still high, or your blood pressure could be dropping and your body is not used to that number because you've been having high blood pressure for a long time now, right? For
Yeah.
months now, you've been having blood pressure. So your body is not used to a lower blood pressure. So you're going to have different symptoms. Sometimes you may have a little bit of dizziness. The pill that hydrochlorothiazide that they gave you has some diuretic in it. It makes you pee a lot. So you're going to be losing a lot of electrolytes. So you have to be mindful of your potassium. You can eat a lot of banana and greeny leafy vegetables. So because you're going to be losing fluid, it makes you pee a lot, so some of the fluid comes off, and you can end up with chest pain because your electrolytes could be off. So if it's not working for you, go to the doctor and let them try to adjust it. But you need to keep a track of what your blood pressure is daily.
So, all right. So, what I'm saying again, let me go back 3 step by step. So, since I started to take it, I started to feel pain. I never didn't feel pain.
Where are you feeling pain?
My ears. If me talk if me said, hey, this ears hurt real bad, and the back of my foot where my vein is, I can't feel it. If I sit down too long, I started to hop like my foot get numb, right?
Right.
That's basically it.
Well, it could be that the diuretic.
Oh, and here.
The back of your neck.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're not having any chest pain, right?
No, me not have no chest pain. It's just the back of my neck real hard. My ears, me really feel pain now through my ears. This one, and my leg.
Well, as I said, you're taking a form of diuretic, so it's pulling fluid from your kidneys, and sometimes you can have different symptoms. If the symptoms continue, try to go to the doctor again and just let him know what the symptoms are. And you probably do need to take some blood work because you've been having high blood pressure for a while. You need to know if your kidney is affected, because high blood pressure can cause kidney damage. So you need to get that checked also. I'm not trying to scare you, but it's very serious, Annie. I watch you, follow you all the time. It's very serious. I really don't want to hear anything happen to you, but you could be having low electrolytes. Just drink a lot of fruit juice and try to replace your electrolyte with potassium, as in banana. Eat a lot of banana right now and try to get your potassium level up, because sometimes because of that medication you lose your electrolytes and you can get leg cramps.
You think it's right for me to go and check your pressure now to see?
Yeah, I think you should check your blood pressure daily and keep track of it and let the doctor know. And you need to know if it's working, if it's dropping your blood pressure, right?
Yeah.
I think the leg pain is from electrolytes. You are losing electrolytes because of that medication. You need to keep track of your electrolytes, as in eat a lot of fruits and vegetables and try to replace your electrolytes.
Okay.
Drink coconut water, have natural electrolytes in it, a lot of potassium and magnesium. And that's very important with this medication.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
All right. I want to see you take care of yourself. You have to be there for these kids.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You may have to do a blood test.
I think you should do a blood test to see if your kidneys were damaged in any way, because a long period of high blood pressure can damage your kidney.
I think you can give me one paper for doing blood test yesterday for true.
Yeah.
All right, we go ahead and do that. I'll go find out how far my pressure is. Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself, okay?
I will.
All right.
Don't worry. Stop letting them stress you out. I wonder if a pharmacy open now. Stay focused. I wonder if a pharmacy open now. Oh my God. I mean, I want bother LD no know, and them I look after something to eat. I don't want to go check in now. I feel like I want to take no more pills them till me know. Alright, hold on. Me say me can go. Guys, me forget earlier morning. LD no thank you, Lord. LD no cook. LD no look after something for eat. Me no want bother him. Drink enough water and drink coconut water. So me think like say me forget earlier morning.
Hi, honey baby.
Hi, me still up on her. Hi, sweetie, what's up?
Nothing much. I talked to you already, no mama. Listen me now. Don't stress yourself, not fret yourself. When me I come down, I'm gonna bring one of these or 2-pack for you. I have high blood pressure too, you know. But well, did.
You did?
Yes, me I go tell you what to do. You see now the early morning when you wake up, you're gonna beat the Sinker Bible. Beat the Sinker Bible with throw some lemon juice on it. And you go drink that on your empty stomach. You see in the midday, like around 12 o'clock, either you blend up the cucumber or eat it like that. And in the evening before bed, while the turmeric, garlic, ginger, and the clove, and drink that. Trust me, girl, may I tell you that. And then after, I used to do that, and then now I start. Let me put this on.
Hold on there. In the morning, where you say beat up and chop? Hold on them.
The Sinker Bible with
Think
some
about
lemon
it.
juice.
Bitter somewhere put in your ear down.
Yeah,
I have throw a lemon pan that and eat it.
and drink it. No, you're gonna beat it out.
Oh.
Beat it out and drink it because a lot of people don't know what causes high blood pressure, you know. You see, it starts from your blood too, you know. You have to cleanse your blood. Cleanse it. Give your blood a cleanse. Let me put this on the camera and I show you something. And this is what I take too. This is a blood cleansing tea bag. This is for high blood pressure. Why people like kiss them teeth? A serious thing I tell her, Annie, are you happy?
If you talk to me, just talk to me. Cause
Yeah,
no
me
matter what
used to
you
have
say,
high blood pressure. When my pressure me means that I am used to admit in a hospital. And I come and I work for myself. I do my own research. See there, I have my blood pressure machine. I check my pressure every day. You need to get yourself one and check your pressure every day. And my pressure It's normal.
Okay.
I used to be on medication and I take myself off of it because too much side effect. The pills was giving me like my kidney was affected and a lot of things. Dizziness, vomiting, the pills them, and I just say no. I take myself off it and go natural.
Okay.
So when I'm coming, I'm gonna bring 2 of these for your mama.
All right.
Trust me, it worked perfectly fine.
Yeah.
And as